everyone, it's Brian. Before we get started today, don't forget to sign up for Trade of the Day. I will send you my top picks every day, totally free. You don't even need a credit card. Just click the link in the description below and then you're signed up. So go ahead, do that now. I'll wait. Oh, what is this? Who the hell ordered a London fog? Hey everyone, it's Brian. Welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. Okay, we're gonna continue our Trading for Beginners series today with something I'm calling the 3 top day trader dream stocks, right? And they're probably not what you think. So I wanted to just take a second and outline them for you today so you could put them on your radar and possibly start trading them. First one, if you like gold and you like trading gold, then the best day trader dream stock is Nugget. And the ticker symbol is NUGT. It's a gold miners bullish 2 times leveraged shares. So basically what this does is it takes a basket of gold mining stocks and it leverages those moves times 2. So if you see like gold moving up 1%, Nugget will move up 2%. It's like a double leveraged asset. Let me tell you, this thing moves big every single day. For example, let me show you my stats on trading Nugget lately. I've made 17 trades on Nugget. All 17 of them have been winners. 100% win rate with an average gain of 12.56% every single play with a 1-day hold time. So Nugget 17 times in a row has been an ATM machine, 12% average gain in 1 day. It's a day trader's dream stock. All right, let's go on to number 2. Next one is Fedex. All right, now Fedex is a play that I am bullish on just from here on out, right? No matter if you buy something on Walmart online or Amazon online or Dick's, there's a very good chance that Amazon is going to be shipping that, and they're going to continue shipping more and more and more as the days, weeks, months, and years go by. Now, my trading has been great on Fedex as well. I made 10 trades on Fedex. All 10 of them have been winners, 100% win rate with an average gain of 32%. And again, average hold time less than 1 day. Now, Fedex is a little bit more expensive, but the moves can be bigger every single day. So it's a great day trader's dream stock. All right, and then number 3, and this one might surprise you, but it's actually Walmart. So the great thing about Walmart is that it has such incredible liquidity and the spreads and the options are super, super tight, which essentially means that there's so many people trading Walmart and Walmart options that you can get in and out for your prices all the time. Now, let's pull up my track record. 26 total Walmart trades, 21 winners, so 80% accuracy, and the average gain is 5.36% again in 1 day holding time. But if you're just starting out, Walmart is a great stock to dabble with on any options plays, either puts or calls, because you're always going to get great liquidity so you can get in and out at your prices. So there you have it, my top 3 day trader dream stocks: Nugget, Fedex, Walmart. All right, so you're probably wondering, like, when do I buy Nugget? When do I sell Nugget? When do I trade Fedex? When do I get into Walmart? Well, that's what I help you with my email service called Trade of the Day. It's totally free, and every day I will send you my top trading idea. If you want to join, click this link below, and then you could sign up. Again, it's totally free. On that note, that's today's episode, and as always, stop hating and start trading. I'm Brian, and I'll see you here next week. Cue my exit music.